Hello everyone and welcome to Arjun Programming. In this video, you're going to learn how to do math in Python. For this video, we're just going to be printing it out. So, the plus symbol is just to add, it's just the plus symbol. And yeah, 36, obvious. There's minus, which is the minus symbol. There's asterisk, which is multiply. There's also divide. And then there's also this, which is pretty much dividing, but it turns it into an integer at the end. And so if we did regular dividing, this would be 3.33, but when we print it out, we get 3. And then there's also exponent, which is double asterisk. And there's also parenthesis, which is parenthesis. And so with the parenthesis, this is 0, and without, it's -5. And then if you import math, you can also do square root, which is math.sqrt, and then you can get the number. So like 25, this will return 5. And yeah, that's it for the video, and see you in the next one.